Hello, little buddies. This is Frozendoll reading for you. Today I am reading the book Rocket's 100th Day of School. Rocket needs to find 100 special things for the 100th day of school. He finds the perfect spot to keep his special things. Or maybe not. You can keep your things here, says Bella. Rocket finds pencils. He finds a book. He finds acorns. He puts them in the tree. Emma helps Rocket find red leaves and pine cones. Mr. Barker helps Rocket find heart-shaped stones. Fred helps Rocket find sticks that look like numbers. Rocket writes down all 26 letters of the alphabet. He puts everything in the tree. Some days he writes down words he likes. Oh, gives Rocket feathers. They all go in the tree. Finally, the 100th day of school is here. Rocket runs to the tree. He counts everything he put in there. Where are the acorns? Rocket asks. Have you seen the acorns, Bella? The what? Bella asks. The acorns, says Rocket. Acorns? Asks Bella. Yes, says Rocket. Yes, I ate them, shouts Bella. I love acorns so much. I need those acorns, says Rocket. It is the 100th day of school. Now I only have 95 things. Rocket has an idea. Follow me, everyone, says Rocket. We are all going to school. 95 plus 4 old friends make 99, counts Rocket. And one new friend makes 100. That was amazing. That was Rocket's 100th day of school. That was me, Frozendoll, reading for you. I hope all of you enjoyed the story. See you soon again.